Different individuals, have different lifestyles. Our lifestyles differ, and of course, that difference in lifestyle can equally, be incorporated into how we want to handle our investment. So in this video, I want to talk about, smart investing for unique lifestyle and values. You want to really, incorporate your values as well as your lifestyle in your investment process. This particular video is going to highlight uh, this aspect of investing. And so lifestyle investing refers to an investment strategy where an investor tailors, their portfolio to support their personal lifestyle, support their value as well as support their values as well as their, long-term aspirations. And if it's kind of, often, involve aligning investment with specific, life goals or life objectives, such as maintaining a certain standard of living, funding major life events like retirement, education, travel or vacation, and supporting personal values, when it comes to, ethical investing. And so you could tailor your investment preference to suit your lifestyle, to be able to suit your personal values. And so the key aspects of lifestyle investing include number one, personalized financial goals. Personalized financial goals. So the investor's portfolio is designed uh, to meet specific life goals. And these life goals might, include early retirement, might include going on a vacation to exotic locations. It might involve buying maybe a second home. It might, equally have to do with buying a boat, or a yacht, or maybe a kind of vehicle you want to, if included in your bucket list. So the investment essentially is tailored towards realizing the fund to be able to support this lifestyle, to be able to meet these objectives. Number two is risk tolerance and lifestyle needs. Risk tolerance and lifestyle needs. And so lifestyle investing considers both the investor's comfort with risk and their financial goals. Generally, when it comes to investing, the returns are there, but the risks are equally there. So you now ask yourself, what level of risks am I able or willing to tolerate? And the answer to that particular question would, determine or influence or impact, critically, how your overall portfolio will look like. For example, someone planning for an early retirement, may prioritize stability and income generation, over uh, asset appreciation. While someone, aiming for long-term growth might invest more, in more aggressively in equities. You have a long-term objective, you may prioritize investing in, in stocks, in equities. All right, though it's volatile, but over the long run, you have a decent level of returns that will be able to support your lifestyle and to meet with your, to meet up with your investment objectives. It all depends on, your risk or your risk tolerance as well as your time horizon and the nature of the lifestyle you want to support or the big item you want to purchase at the end of the day. Number three is that income versus growth. Income, versus growth. So depending on the lifestyle, an investor may prioritize income, maybe through dividends, maybe through, interest or coupon from bond investing, or you may prioritize capital appreciation, maybe through growth stocks. All right. And so these are designed to be able to sustain, their preferred lifestyle. So what do you really want? What lifestyle do you want to support? So that will go a long way in determining the kind of investment strategy you are going to adopt. Is it a long-term perspective? Is it a short-term perspective? Is it a kind of growth stock that would support appreciation, or is it stable, dividend-paying stocks that will give you regular income? It all depends on your personal preference. It all depends on the kind of lifestyle you want to support. Number four is ethical and social responsible investing. Ethical and socially responsible investing. Some lifestyle investors prioritize social responsibility, or impacts, over returns. They want to embark on socially responsible projects, a kind of impact may adopt impact investing strategies, choosing investment that align with their values, such as environmental sustainability or social causes. You may want to support the environment, support the community, support sustainability, support, green investing and all those and other related, forms of investing. It all, come under, they all come under, ESG investing. Number five is tax efficiency. We cannot run away from tax when it comes to investing. It can be mitigated, but we cannot totally, escape tax. The government is there to really, take their portion of what we earn actually. And so you consider tax efficiency, strategies may be employed to optimize tax efficiency based on the investor's lifestyle and income need. And equally consider your income bracket. The higher income brackets, the higher you are going to be taxed. The lower your income brackets, the lesser amount you will pay in taxes. So when it comes to investing, you have to meet a tax consultant. A fund manager will explain what you need to do to be able to reduce your taxes. Not tax evasion, but just a way of reducing your taxes. Tax minimization. Tax evasion is illegal, but tax minimization is perfectly legal. Number six is lifestyle change consideration. Lifestyle change consideration. The portfolio adopts, over time, based on changes in life circumstances, such as, marriage, children, and, somebody nearing retirement. A young man who is not yet married may invest differently. And when one is married and the children start coming in, you have a family to support, you might be forced to invest differently. As you're inching towards retirement, you invest, using a different strategy. Before now, I used to be a long-term, value investor. When my children got to boarding school, I kind of started shifting towards, short-term momentum investing, so as to be able to meet up with the school fees the next term. So you discover that my investment approach drastically changes, because of this particular stage, in life. And probably when they all graduate, I may, reverse back to another strategy that is aimed towards supporting my retirement. And so we want to consider types of lifestyle investing. You have, retirement focus, those who are essentially focused on retirement. And so investing for specific retirement goals, ensuring the portfolio can support a desired kind of post-work lifestyle. You've retired, you want your portfolio to support your lifestyle. So in that case, you will need regular, stable, steady income. And so in that case, you kind of embark on what is called retirement-focused investing. This strategy is there essentially to do what? To support your retirement. You equally have, impact investing. It targets investment that aligns with, your personal value, your personal belief, such as green energy, sustainable agriculture, a general sustainability theme becomes your yardstick when it comes to investing. And not only that, your number three, income focus. In this particular strategy, you talk about building a portfolio that generates, a regular stream of income to support, one's ongoing lifestyle expenses, such as rental properties or dividend paying stocks. You are more concerned about, income that will be coming regularly to support your lifestyle. Only that, you know, if you really want to, invest, you need to, consider precisely, all these parameters: long-term horizon, personal preference, a lifestyle to support your stage in life, and even planning ahead for retirement. So all these factors, uh, will them, influence the strategy you are going to adopt, even as an investor. And don't forget that your lifestyle also could then influence the way you invest. That's why we're talking about lifestyle investing in this video.